Hey guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and we're going to explore Bluewater Lake State Park in New Mexico. We're going to show you some beauty here. Come along.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, we're going to go down inside that canyon, right along the stream. This is called Canyon Side Trail. No trail guide in there?
Nothing in there.
It's false advertising in it.
Yeah, well, we're before season, so.
You know, we could just lift that out of the rocks and point it a different direction. No? Beautiful day. Still a little windy, but not as bad as yesterday. Okay, we kind of got headed the wrong way. Wasn't real clear, but now we came back and found this post in this pile of rocks. And there's a bunch of footprints that went that way, so we're not the only ones that went the wrong direction. That one winds up at the edge of a cliff. So now we're following these pile of rocks. The trail's not really real clearly marked. Okay, there's a post down there. Just getting down there, I guess.
Yep.
How quiet. It is about 71 or 72 degrees. Gonna do a little rock climbing. See if I can hold this camera. Oh, okay. It looks okay.
There's lots of rocks to climb.
What do you call it? Petroglyphs?
Petroglyphs? Are those carving on here?
No, but that's what you call it, right? Petroglyphs, when they like write on it or whatever.
Yeah.
Graffiti from back in the day. Don't touch that. Now this right here almost reminds me of the Midwest. Almost. The grass. You gotta get our Instagram pictures. Was that a selfie? So glad to be back in nature. Enough of that urban camping. And Quartzsite was good, but you know, enough of the desert camping too. We'll go to Quartzsite again, but we won't spend near as long. Probably 2-3 weeks at the most. Let's go see the creek or stream. There's some cattails. All right, not much going on yet. Look at all the cattails.
It's so great during summer when they're actually
This almost looks like it's been mowed almost. I'm guessing the wind. Because we can feel the breeze coming right through the canyon here, which feels good right now. Kinds of little crevices and Now we're going to start opening up here. I think just a little wider stream. I don't see any little fishies, any minnows or anything. You?
No.
That is some clear water. Oh, there's a, yeah.
It's pretty stagnant.
I know you guys can't see it, but there's some tiny little tadpoles down there. See, the dam, we're walking toward the dam, so this water is all coming from the dam. So if that dam were to burst right now, what would we do?
I'm sorry, what?
If the dam were to burst?
We'd be in trouble.
Yeah, we'd be in trouble. Oh gosh, if you guys are anywhere in the area, come do this. Oh yeah, I see a bunch of tadpoles now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're so tiny though. They're must have just hatched.
Wait a minute.
What?
Which is the better step?
I went down low.
Down here?
Don't fall and bump your head. Okay, you guys, I know it's a stretch, but see the little dimple? The little dimple right there in the middle of the wall? You can see the water reflecting on that, can you?
All those birds coming up underneath that rock.
Oh yeah, oh look at all the nests. What kind of birds are those?
Yeah.
Swallow, some kind of swallow?
Something like that.
Yeah, see all those, I guess they're swallows.
Oh my goodness.
Swallow nests. Did you see them all fly out of there?
A bunch of them just came out underneath there too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oops. Yeah. Okay, there's that dimple. I think you guys can probably see that. More swallow over there.
You can move off to the side, let them fly.
Why would you want to be in the city?
I know.
Huh?
I know.
My lord. Yeah, you might be looking to come here, so I'm going to show you the way up on the other end of the trail. You want me to lead?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, ow. Should we try and do this?
Feet sideways.
I think I could walk a tightrope. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Okay, maybe not.
Wait a minute.
You can do it. You can do it.
And do not put this in the video.
Oh, everything's going to go on the video. Are you getting hold of my hand? Don't push me off when you get over.
A little water running out. Just for balance here. Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay. You're the cook. I can't let anything happen to you.
Yeah.
Chef, I should say.
No, just a cook.
Just a cook. Okay. I think this is going to be a little hairier than the other one. From the map, it looks like a bunch of zigzags. So I'm going to show you as much of that as I can, but I might need 2 hands. Okay, I definitely needed 2 hands to get up that. Now this is looking a little better. Still, you don't want to fall. Okay, it looks like this trail is going to be like this the rest of the way up. So we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Kind of steep. You know, I think we're like 7,550 feet elevation you know, we've been living down in what, 1500, so you know, we're getting used to this thinner air too, if it sounds like we're breathing hard. Yeah, we should grab that.
Yeah.
Why would somebody leave that?
That's a little obvious. Big. Put it in the backpack.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you guys, we just don't like to see that stuff, so we aren't crazy environmentalists by any means. But come on, people, don't put your trash in these beautiful land anywhere. Throw the stuff away. Okay, we're pretty much out now. Okay, that's the trail we were just on, guys. Came right up there. All right, that was a success.
It was a success.
See you guys in a few. Yeah, we thought we'd be remiss not to bring you guys down here to the lake. Again, looks more like Greenwater Lake than Bluewater, but still beautiful. Breezy with the little waves coming in, sound. You can just barely hear it lapping on the shore. Putting in a new dock over here. So okay, guys, just to give you some reference here, we're parked down there, if you could tell from the dash cam driving up here. Hopefully that worked. There's a lake, beautiful lake. I wouldn't call it blue, maybe Greenwater Lake State Park, but it's really low. We'll get you closer there. But then right here, there's this dam. We're gonna hike to the dam, which it's not, like a half mile. So dam overlook, and we are right here. And we're gonna go like this. The dam's right here. So, okay, let's. It's kind of breezy, so I'm just gonna play some music.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. I can be like the tree in the wind, same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby.
Oh, what a beautiful view of the Bluewater Lake.
Green water.
It's green, more green. All right, so the dam This is actually a historical arched dam built in 1920. Privately built, actually, which is really pretty interesting. I didn't get anything more about who built it. But this was built in 1920. Pretty cool. You can see some of the old buildings over there. But the actual park was not established until 1955. There's like about 2,700 acres in this park. And this lake is actually internationally known for its fishing. I guess, and I don't remember the types of fish. You can actually just go online and easily look up Bluewater Lake, and it tells you the types of fish. It is stocked, but it says it's internationally known for the fish. They get some fantastic fish over here. You see people camping. You can actually camp right up to the edge. There are 2 rivers that feed into the lake here, the dam, and one is the Bluewater River, and I don't remember the name of the other one.
Wild horses over there.
Ah, way over there, yep.
I don't know if they caught that. You might want to see.
I don't know if they can see that way over there. Yeah. We just came across another hiker and said he saw a bald eagle going across. And we actually saw the wild horses last night around late afternoon. We were looking out and we drove down and saw them. And we saw some blue heron on the lake. So it's quite, I guess, a really popular place during summer. A lot of birds, a lot of fish, the wild horses.
Yeah, this trail's a little hairier than I thought it was expecting. So I'm not going to film as we go around that corner there. Maybe I should. You guys make a viral video. All right, that was a fun day. We are showered and shaved, and at least I'm shaved. But anyway, that was fun. Two awesome hikes.
Yeah, it was really cool, really neat, and not too bad of hikes either. Yeah, they were kind of easy. It's the high altitude that got me.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've hiked in any kind of elevation, but so we're headed out tomorrow morning. This will be our 3rd night here, and we're headed east. I guess you'll just have to wait and see where we wind up, and what we're doing. So we're going to say you guys good night. God bless. Appreciate every single one of you.
And come join us on our next adventure.
See you in a few days.
Bye-bye.